Hi everyone, I just want to share with you how to do your MLA, and the first thing I'm going to do is start with your class under libraries, and when you click there you're going to open it in a new tab and you're going to put in your credentials for Atlas, and then you will be able to get into our library system. So I'm just letting it kind of load. I've already put in my credentials. So to search for databases, you would go here. You don't want to type anything here. This is for books in the library. You don't want that. So you're not going to type in there. You're going to go here to search for the databases. And when you're searching for the databases, choose the ones that I'm suggesting for you for the essay. Okay, the other area that you need to know is back here under citation help. Also, just notice that you can ask a librarian for help as well. But here for citation help, when you click on this, you're going to go down to the 9th edition, which is the newest one, and you're going to go to full citation examples. Now, for library databases, you have to search for the database that you used. Okay, so this would be, I chose America's News, so I would use this format for America's newspapers. Now, this is an article I found in America's News, and a lot of students will like to automate their MLA by choosing what they're supposed to be, and sometimes this isn't always accurate. So you want to compare what they're saying it should be to the library guides. And so that again is under MLA, under full citation examples for databases, and you want to look at what you're supposed to type right here. So this is the format, and you just want to make sure that it is in the order that it appears. So notice that the example they're giving you might not be exactly what it should be. Okay, so it should look like this. And if you go to the article itself, let me go back, you're going to pull all the information from here. So this is the title of the article, this is the copyright, this is the journal it was published in. You don't need to put USA, I don't believe. You have the author here, you've got page numbers if there are any, everything that's up here is needed. And also remember that you were on America's News is the database name. So when you're filling this out, okay, it's just important to know the database would be News Bank. So the library knows, even though it's America's News, to put News Bank here instead. What's important also is when you use something like EasyBib to create your citations, the trouble is sometimes students choose the wrong thing, and so automatically that's going to be incorrect. And then you have to fill out all these fields, and sometimes you might put the wrong title in the wrong field, and then when you enter it in, it might not be this format. So just use the library format and you'll never go wrong. So that is for the 9th edition databases under full citation examples. And for websites, when we click on website, you're going to follow entire website, not articles, but the actual entire website. And so here, because you generally won't have an editor, this is what a website looks like. This is the title of the website. This is the publisher of the website, usually the same. The copyright year, the most recent one that you see at the bottom of their homepage. The URL of their homepage address, and the date that you looked at the source. For both of these, whatever is first here goes at the end of quotes in your paper. So the first 2 words of titles of websites would go here, okay? And then when it comes to a database, let me just share with you full citation examples of a database, and we go to, let's say, America's News again. Again, whatever is first in the entry is what you put at the end of the quotes for the paper. So here, what comes first is the author's last name, so it would be the author's last name that goes here. Not the first name, just the last name and the page number if known. If you don't know the author, the first thing that would show up is the title of the article, first couple of words. So whatever is first here, that is what you put at the end of the quotes. I hope that this made a lot more sense to go to library, open in new tabs, and then you put in your Atlas credentials, and then from there you can search for databases, you can get citation help, and you can also ask a librarian. And all of those three things are right up here. Again, for citation help, one more time, you're going to go to the 9th edition, and then here, full citation examples. For library databases, you will choose where you got your articles from, what databases, and each one has their own format. And then for websites, when you click websites, you're going to use entire website as your format. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or need any help, you can always book an appointment with me, talk to a librarian, or also talk to somebody in the Writing Center. Thanks so much for watching.